Is White Lightning with another video, and today we're going to be eating crybabies. And if you know what these do, tell us, because we have zero idea, and this is the first time. Oh,
No.
sorry. Good. Okay, Frankie's here as well. Okay, let's Frankie, get in the cam. Right here.
Get in the cam.
So today we're going to be eating crybaby. I have a red one.
I have a green one.
You know, Creep Boy on and Red Man. Okay, so we're gonna open these. Smell them for a second. They actually smell good. Okay, ready, guys? Wait, no.
Candy.
Okay, so
It's a candy. I love how he pronounced candy. Like candy.
Okay, so I'm opening mine. Okay, I got it. Oh my god, that smells good. But ready, set, go.
I don't know if you noticed, but I tried this before. Ethan's first time. That was just the first part for Ethan. Sink it in more.
Oh, my throat. Getting sweet. And I wanted to say extremely sour. No.
There's water over there.
I'm drinking your juice.
No, that's water. Get your own.
No, that's okay. That did not go down well.
First time I ate gum from the last accident. It was just because I ate something else. So yeah,
We did it.
sorry this video is really short. It's just a first time happening. Well, not for me, just for Ethan right here. But make sure to subscribe to White Lightning.
And just so you know, do not eat too many of these. They can be really high sugar.
And it's bad for the teeth. We're just eating one.
Yeah, one for me, one for him.
With a parent's permission.
Yeah?
Even though it's candy.
So
So yeah,
kids,
I
we
hope
eat candy. Anywho, I hope you all enjoyed how much we enjoyed, and I will see you all later. Bye. Bye.